Hey everyone. So, Tip Tuesday, we are going to talk about the Canva folders. So, couple things. If you get a little overwhelmed with the front page of Canva, go ahead and bookmark your project page. It's just canva.com/projects, and it just brings you to your project page, which has your folders, designs, if you have brand templates, and your images. Okay, so that's a first tip. Okay, I just bookmark this. I don't even go to the front page unless I have to, and because I have everything right here, I have my folders on the side over here as well. Okay, so second tip is if you are a person that gets a lot of templates or yeah, like with bundles or freebies and stuff like that, create a folder that says templates. And let me open this one real quick. It says 4 items, but I will show you. I have like all the templates, that copy of that we used to always get. And then I have some other template stuff in here. So create a template folder and just put everything in there. And if you really want to get organized, then you can do subfolders in the folders. I teach all that in the Camp Clarity, just so you know. Anywho, okay, so that's 2 tips. Now the next tip is if you are, we're going to go down to images. And if you bring in a lot of images, if you're not going to use them again, delete them. They're already in your design. They're not going to disappear when you delete them from your design, okay? So you can click on each one of these right here. See how I clicked on that in this little, it's either a folder or a trash. So I'm going to actually going to keep that one. Okay, so, because I'm going to do something else with it. All right, and these ones I've already put in my designs. So you can click on the top like I just showed you, or you can just highlight all this. And I'm going to go ahead and take these out because I don't need them. I will put this one in a folder because that is a course. So I'm just going to go delete and I'll move it to trash. Now it gives 30 days. So if you like, oh shoot, I deleted something bad, you can still get it back. Okay. All right. So let's go ahead and click on these because I don't need these. All right. And I don't need this. All right. Let's go ahead and delete those. Move to trash. Okay, so I have several in here because I've just been working and working. I try to clean up my Canva once a week, but I don't think I've done it for a couple weeks. Okay, so so this one I put in my social media folder. This one I am going to move to folder, and I am going to move it to clip art. All right. And I'm just going to move it there since it's something I made. All right. And then this. Hold on. Okay. Man, that's taking a long time. Okay. This one and this one and this one can all go into a folder of Canva, or Canva. I'm just going to put it right there. Okay. So when you create folders, you want to make sure that you're creating folders that you can find and when you name things. Okay. So let's see here. Images, you can either delete or put in folder and clean it up. Okay. That is what I do. Now designs, they'll be here forever. Okay. I'm just going to tell you, they'll be here, but there are some things that you can do. Let's see here, like this one, this is for a client of mine, and I can hide this if I don't want to see it, just like that. Okay. This is a template, and I'm going to move this to my template folder. Okay, so see, the one that I hid, it disappeared. But I have the folder right here for the other one I just did. So you can't necessarily get rid of these. Now, these are all bad ones because I think I was having some computer issues. So I'm just going to trash all those. And there we go. And then another thing we can do is, let's see here. Here we go. This one I can, a couple things. I was doing a training on this, so that's why there's some things that I did not do. But if you're in, so you always kind of want to start in a folder when you create your design. But if you don't start in a folder, go ahead and go up to File and then Save to Folder. And I don't have a folder yet for stickers, so I'm going to go ahead and create one. And then I will put that under digital products. Let's go back to let's go back here and let's see here. Just want to show you. Okay, so I created this folder stickers, right? Well, that's kind of like a digital product. So I want to move it to over here. Oh, it's probably my internet. Okay. And I want to move it. That's the slowest move ever. To there. Oh, they probably won't do it because of my internet. Okay, let's go back. I'm just going to move to folder. And the folder I want to move that to is digital products right there. And I'm just going to move it because I have all kinds of other ones. So there we go. Okay. So I don't have a lot of folders. Well, I'm going to take that back. I do have a lot of folders, but I don't have a lot of main folders. I have a lot of subfolders. And I teach all that in the Canva Clarity. So yes, I have, these two are already. I have one to do. I have one that's archived, just things that I no longer will probably use, but you never know kind of things. And then digital products, my Canva creations, templates, my personal social media, blogs, client work, and then all images, photo, and clip art. So I don't have a lot up here. And then I can work very nicely in here. This makes me feel better. And I could probably get rid of a lot of these videos too, just to even clean it up even more. So, because a lot of them looks like, I'm just going to do the last one here. And then delete. These other ones I probably have to look at just to make sure. But I'm pretty sure they're all good to go away. All right, so there we go. Several tips right here, guys. Several. So, if you do need more guidance on cleaning up your Canva, if you are a Clubhouse member, check out the Canva Clarity in the dashboard. If you do not have it, it is just search up Canva Clarity in the Facebook group, and you will find it. Or I can put a link. But anywho, it's important even for your mental to keep things a little organized in here, or else you go crazy. All right. Thank you.